Alright guys, so I'm just doing the soldering right now. Uh, and this is what I just want to show you what I do here. I've got a flux pen. This is good stuff here that I use. It's rosin uh, flux. And so I'm just kind of touch on the tabs here a little bit. And get some flux on the tabs where the leads are gonna go. So that's all I do. It helps the solder all stick together. Definitely don't want to try and do this without flux. Uh, some solders have flux cores, so I'm trying to do this one-handed. So I've got some solder on the tip here, and I just you just gotta touch it down to the tab, and you see it flow right on there. Nice. I recommend a good clean soldering tip. It's going to be difficult to do this without it. So I've got just flood that on there like that. And once you've got the tabs tinned like that, you want to have a decent amount of solder like that on. Then I take the tab or the leads. Positive is going to go on the left here. And so I got a nice little pair of tweezers here that help position the lead so I can solder it. So all I got to do is reflow that solder and it's gonna adhere to that lead. I actually got to do it on an angle like this because of the retainer clip, and same with the black one. After that, then the retainer clip goes on and the repair is done, ready for assembly. What you want to do when you do this is make sure the tabs are not touching the housing. You can see they're up in the air like that. You don't want them pushing down and grounding out on the housing. So anyway, that's how you do it. So you can actually see there is evidence of heat damage on this one. That's you can see the discoloration on the plastic near the chip itself. That's from heat. That's basically remnants of the aftermath of the disaster that happened there before. So what happens is the plastic gets brittle over time. It's probably just like ABS. Uh, so plastic gets hot and cools down, hot, cools down over time. It fatigues, it gets brittle, and then it cracks. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it. And then I'm gonna do maybe one last video after I've got everything back assembled and everything. All right, take care, guys.